So, what can you do with the heat press? Well, today you are in luck. I am trying out this new 10 by 10 heat press from HTV Ront, and I have to say, I am very impressed. It is super easy to use. It's a very good price point, and I'm going to be sharing my go-to 5 DIYs that I make that are easy gift ideas, easy home decor ideas, just super easy projects for you to do. Thank you to HTV Ront for sponsoring today's video. If you didn't know, my name is Courtney. This is Creative on the Cheap. Let's get crafting. So first and foremost, I wanted to say you do not have to have a cutting machine to do these types of projects. I want to show you the types of projects you can do using this heat press. If you don't have a Cricut or a Silhouette to cut vinyl, go to the craft store, Hobby Lobby, Michael's, even Dollar Tree, and you can pick up iron-on fabrics. You can pick up iron-on decals just as easily to make, again, these types of projects. So I'm going to be using some of these fun colors from their iron-on vinyl. Theirs is size 12 by 10, so keep that in mind. Most of them are 12 by 12, but theirs is 12 by 10. And I'm going to be using their cutting mats to cut it on, which I found to be really easy to use, and I'm just going to stick with the light mat because I just prefer to use that when I'm using iron-on. So this is what the heat press looks like right out of the box. It comes with the bag. They are currently running a great pre-sale right now. I will have all the information linked down below in the description box for you. So here are the cool features on this. You hit the temperature and then you can raise or lower it with the plus or minus. Hit the temperature, it'll go. Then same with the time, plus or minus to add or subtract seconds. And then that last little number there will show you how much pressure. It'll go up or down depending on how much pressure you put on your item. And then that is your start button to get the project going. This first project, signs. Signs are an easy one to make. You can put it on wood, you can put it on canvas. Those are the two that I do the most. Remember, when you're working with the iron-on, you want to flip that design around and put the shiny side down on your mat. I did not preheat the piece of wood. I typically don't when I'm putting vinyl on it, but for this one I did 300 degrees for 30 seconds, and you can see the pressure, that number kind of on the bottom left there. That's the pressure, showing how much pressure I'm putting on there, and that's it. You make yourself a really cute sign. Next project, hand towels or tea towels. They are super easy to make and a great housewarming, a great Christmas gift, wedding gift. You can customize them, you can personalize them, you can do them for holidays, so lots of options. I typically pick up my tea towel blanks from Amazon or even on sale from Home Goods or Marshall's at the end of Christmas season. So again, I just cut out a design. They're HTV weeds really easily, so I was very happy with that. And again, just set my timer, set my temperature, and pressed the front. You always want to flip it over, press the back as well, and then yeah, the tea towel is ready. Now this DIY pairs nicely with the tea towel that I just showed you, and that is cloth napkins that are monogrammed or personalized to the person that you are giving them to. Whether it's for yourself and you're doing a dinner party, you could make really fun monogrammed like Christmas napkins, or you could just again give these as a really nice housewarming, a hostess gift, or even as a wedding gift. There are tons of monograms you could do out there. And again, my cloth napkins, I typically find them on Amazon, or at the end of the Christmas season, they usually are really cheap, again at Home Goods or Marshall's or TJ Maxx. Now for this one, this is a great gift idea to personalize especially, and that is a t-shirt. So I'm going to be using a 100% polyester t-shirt for this project, and I'm using some of this foil or metallic vinyl. Now I will say the weeding on this one was a little bit trickier only because it was hard to see the letters, and it was a little more tedious. I guess I'll say that. It wasn't impossible, but just a little more tedious with this one. Once I got it all weeded, I was ready to, again, I pressed my t-shirt just to warm it up a little bit, set my design down, press the front, I pressed the back, and now I've got a cute little shirt. The next gift idea is a little zippered pouch. These are great for any age group, whether it's a teenager, preteen, kid, adult, grandma, mom, dad. I mean, it could be for anybody. And I particularly like this one because what I'd end up doing is throwing in some sample sizes of like mascara, a little lipstick, chapstick, and then of course some chocolate, candy, and a little bag of pretzels. So a very cute little gift to give to pretty much anyone. And there you go, 5 easy DIYs that those are my go-to, and actually in July is when I start making my Christmas gifts. Let me know down below in the comments, what is your go-to DIY gift? Let's share those in the comments, because if anybody likes to get a jump start like I do, it will be valuable information for everyone to read. Thank you so much for watching. If you're considering getting a heat press, again, this one is a very good price point. All the information is down below in the description box. Check it out. I think it's a valuable tool to have in your arsenal of crafting supplies. Thanks so much for watching, guys. I will catch you in the next one. Here are some more you might enjoy. See you later. Bye.